In this video, we're going to cover how to deal with checks that show up that didn't come through the invoicing section. And a good example is we got our residuals from, let's say, loan payments that are loans that customers have taken out. The bank gives us some money back on that, and so we just end up with a check from the bank for whatever amount of loans that they gave to us. And this is just one example, but there could be thousands of others. The idea, though, is that I've got checks that are sitting here on my desk that I'm fixing to take to the bank, but another check shows up in the mail that did not come through invoicing or accounts receivable. It's just one that showed up from an outside source. I need to be able to deposit it, though, with today's checks, but on the books I need to know where it came from, because at some point I'm going to have to show it as income. I need to know where the income came from. So to do that, before we actually do our deposit for today, I'm going to come down here. I'm in accounting, cash drawer, add remove money, and we're just going to add some money. So let's say that we get a check for $150. It was paid with a check. The account number that I want to use, let's say that I'll just pick something here. Let's say it was some pickup and delivery thing. It doesn't really matter. And so then we're going to come down here and we're going to say check from ABC pickup delivery. And then we're going to pick the cash drawer. This really is not that important, but we do have to pick it. It's just telling it what group to put it in. And then we're just going to tell it to add the money. And I wish I could turn this off so that we didn't have to keep doing this departmental thing. All right, so if we go back over here to view deposits now, you'll notice that our check amounts have gone up. And if we open up the detail on the checks, you can see down here that we've got a $150 extra check that came into the account, into the cash drawer. So now when we select to deposit our checks, that check will actually be in with the rest of our deposits. So that's about as difficult as it is to add money that's coming into the cash drawer or going into the bank from a source that didn't originate through an invoice.